Alright, so we are back for another layered haircut. And in this haircut, we're going to do some frame the face layering as well. But the very first thing I'm going to do is establish the length and the outline. We're taking very little off the outline. We want to leave the hair on the longer side, so we're not really cutting a whole lot. We're just kind of trimming the ends to keep it clean and basically not really cutting much length. So the first thing I'm going to do though is go through, clean up all the ends. You can see I've got a center section in the middle back with two A-line sections that are sectioned off with the clips. Now, I've brought down the right side. You can see I'm just going through and cleaning up that line right there, using my comb to hold the hair. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. You can see I'm taking that section down right now. Once we're done with this, we will then dive into the layering. Alright, so as you can see, we are now doing the frame the face layering on the right side. I've got the hair held in my fingers, and I'm basically using my scissors, kind of like a pencil, just sketching up the desired frame the face layering that I'm looking for. So, as you can see, I'm combing the hair down, and then I just lay it on my hands, and then just use my scissors to cut the actual shape that I'm looking for. I'm going to do this on the right side, then of course, I'm going to do it on the left side. It is now time to do the interior layers throughout this haircut. So you can see I'm taking a center section in the middle back. I'm combing that hair straight back, and basically I'm removing that corner. You can see right there, I'm going to remove that corner just to clean up the layers to make it nice and light. The goal is to obviously make the hair have a lot more volume, make it a lot more lighter. So taking that center section is going to establish my guide for the rest of the layering throughout the rest of the haircut. You can see I'm taking another section to the left, and I'm over directing that section to the previous section, which is my guide right there, just copying the guide to know how short to cut the current section. I'm going to continue taking sections on the left side all the way until we are done with the layering on the left side, and then we'll just do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so now that the layering on the left side is all done, it is now time to do the layering on the right side. And again, I'm taking another section, combing it to the previous section, using that previous section as my guide, and basically cutting the layers on the right side. I'm going to continue to take these sections on the right side until all of the layers are complete on the right side. Alright, we are almost done with the haircut. You can see the hair has now been dried, but it is now time to cut the fringe. So, what I like to do is I like to use my scissors to scoop up the hair, and then I put the hair in the comb and hold the hair with the comb to start cutting in that outline. As you can see right here, what I'm doing is layering the bangs, and now we've officially come to the end of this layered haircut. Check out the volume that those layers create. It gives it a lot more volume on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.